You will agree with me that your thumbnail is like a window to your content. As in, your thumbnail is the door to your content. So that means your thumbnail is very important as that content itself. So you need a real strong thumbnail, a thumbnail that can get click, a thumbnail that someone will see and quickly grab attention. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI to create an appealing thumbnail, a clickable thumbnail, a thumbnail that shows what your content is. A thumbnail that will make your followers to quickly click on your video, then watch what we are about to show them. So that's what we are going to learn today. So I will urge you to stay with me from the beginning to the end so that you'll be able to master it and know how to use it. It's very simple, and it's also a platform that every one of us know how to use. Another good part of it is that you can as well use this AI for free. If you don't have money to subscribe, you can use it for free. They have given it that in a way that you can generate up to 3 images per day, which for me, I think is okay for someone that are not a paid version. But if you know that you create volume and you like to generate images more that is not only thumbnail, then you can go for the subscription of it. So if you're looking for how to create a thumbnail, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in. So now we are going to use a thumbnail of this particular tutorial as an example. Yes, that thumbnail you saw earlier that make you to click on it is exactly this AI that I use to create it, and that's what we are going to do together. So over here in the screen, we are going to use ChatGPT. The screen we are using now is ChatGPT. I believe it's an AI tool that every one of us are very conversant with. So we are going to make use of ChatGPT imaging. So you come over here to where they have more. If you are not seeing the imaging, you just come to where they have more. You can see images. Then you click on the images, and it will now bring you to this particular script. This is the create image section of ChatGPT. Now over here, you will drop in your prompt, what you want the ChatGPT to do for you. Now I said create a thumbnail with this title. Create thumbnails that get click for free. Use the attached image. Place it at the center of the thumbnail, holding thumbnail designs on her hands, showing it to her audience in 16:9. So what I did here is that I tried to tell the AI the particular aspect ratio that I want to use and how I want that thumbnail to look like. Okay, now let me show you how to attach your own image. If you want them to use your own image to create it, how to attach your own image on that same thumbnail. Now over here, now to put in your own image or any other image that you wish to use, you have to come over to this place that they write add photos. You click on the add photos, then you scroll to go to where you have your photos and put it. Now I want to use this photo now. Okay, now you can see the photo is trying to upload on this place. So you allow the photo to upload. Okay, our picture have already entered. You can see the picture over here is installed. So the next thing you do is to hit this generate button, send prompt. When you click on it, you just relax yourself. After a few seconds, our thumbnail will be ready. All right, our design is ready. So let's look at it now. So you see, look at what they generated for us. Wow, just take a good look at it. You can see it said create thumbnails that get click for free. You can see the thumbnails, but I don't like because the thumbnails she is holding, they look alike. So if what they create for you is not okay for you, you can always make amend. You can always tell them what you want and then you change it. Now, let's take a quick tweak on this particular one. Okay, you can say change one of the thumbnail design she is holding to a movie thumbnail. Okay, because the two thumbnails she is holding is almost the same. All right, it's almost the same. So let's change one of the thumbnail. Then we'll click send. All right, this look at what they amended. Wow, this one now is better off. I think I love this one. So I'm going to use this particular one now for my cover. All right, so you can see it's very unique. So let me know, do you like what you see today? Are you satisfied? So for you to save it, you know what to do. You simply go to this place here, click on this place and click download on this download icon. Then to can come out like this, you hit download. All right. When you download it, once you download it, it's right there on your system or on your phone, because you can easily use it both on your smartphone, on your iPad, and also on your laptops. So whichever one, let me know. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed today's tutorial. All right. Let me know. And if you have any issue, you have any question, feel free to ask it. I'll be here for you. See you again. Bye for now.